There's woman back. There's a CSX. He is moving. Oh my lord.
Shut the fuck up. I'm trying to speak.
Yay!
You waved at us.
Yeah! And that was a woman too.
It was a chick.
Hey, Edward, you can tell it's a woman because she's speeding. Oh my god! Green tanker!
You can tell it's a woman because she's speeding.
Yeah, more green tankers.
I'm pretty sure the green is race.
Probably.
Dude, that's why it's so fucking bad.
Hey, I'm glad we came here when we did. Like, I'm glad we stopped at the train yard when we did. DPU! 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 Yeah.
It has the fucking railroad crossing down over.
Woo!
I got this a couple things.
Nice.
Slowing down.
Yeah.
Things to talk about. She might be back into that train yard.
No.
She could. Like, that is international.
Yeah? Hey, I bet you guys are jamming out with us. Yo, look at that! Hey Edward, let's stop, because I gotta go back grab your hat. I had to set it down so I have more maneuverability with my phone.
What?
I set your hat down, so I want to be, so I don't gotta run all the way back to get it. So I just want to stop here until the train ends.
I'm gonna go check out the train cars.
We can after.
Where did you set my hat?
Right there.
I don't see it. But I got
All right, she's ending right up here. Yo.
Look what I found.
What the fuck is that? Oh, he did a little boing, yoing, yoing, yoing.
She's engaging her brakes. Probably hop on it.
No, he's moving too fast.
No, but she's engaging her brakes.
Plus, we're in the wide open. People are definitely gonna call the cops. When me and
Trying to
Aiden,
run across.
when me and Aiden did it,
That's awesome, bro.
hey, when me and Aiden did it, we was out in the middle of fucking nowhere.
That's awesome, dude.
Oh, look at that shot.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Okay. It's disappeared behind the dam.
No, he hasn't. I can still see her. I can still see the roof of it. Alright. Alright, guys. I'm gonna go grab Edward's hat. I'll see you guys in the next train. Alright, bye. Alright, guys. Love you. Peace out.